Okay, when you go to render your DaVinci project and it's grayed out, you might want to check to see what kind of clips you're working with. And I'm only working with text and audio in this on this timeline, and you can't render um, text and audio. So one way to get around this is to select all the clips. You can shift click, get all of them, and right click and do new compound clip. It's gonna just kind of mix them down to one track, the text clips anyway. So now I have one text and one audio. And if I go back to my rocket, you can see I can render now.